Welcome to AG Math Academy. The topic for today is we are going to take an expression and divide. So my expression for today is 6x cubed minus 11x squared minus 47x minus 20, and this is divided by 2x plus 1. So when you observe, this is numerator and it is getting divided with denominator. So now I am following a method called synthetic division for dividing this. So in my earlier video, I have shown you a simple example with synthetic division. Now I'm going to follow the same process. So let's take the numerator here, 6x cubed minus 11x squared minus 47x minus 20. And let's write the division sign, and let's write the denominator here to x plus 1. Now the steps for this is we are going to take the first term from here and first term from here, and first step is to divide the terms. So 6x cubed is getting divided with 2x, and 2 times 3 is 6, and x power 3 and x power 1, when it is getting divided, a power m by a power n is a power m minus n. When bases are same, to divide we subtract the exponents, so it becomes 3 into x square. So I'm writing the number here as 3x square. Now my next step would be take this entire term here and multiply with each of the terms that I get here. So let's take 3x square and let's multiply it with 2x plus 1. So 3 times 2 is 6, and x square into x, and the bases are same and I need to multiply. We need to add the powers. 2 plus 1 is 3, and 3x square plus 1 is 3x square. So I'm writing here 3x cube, 6x cube plus 3x square, and I am taking the negative signs here because I need to subtract it. So 6x cube minus 6x cube gets eliminated, and minus 11x square minus 3x square gives me minus 14x square, and the remaining terms I can write it here, minus 47x, and I have the constant as minus 20. Now my next job to get the another term in the quotient is I need to take my first term here, minus 14x square, and first term in the denominator here, which is 2x, and divide it. So minus 14x square by 2x gives me minus 14 by 2 is minus 7, x square by x is x, so minus 7x. So I'm writing this value here, minus 7x. So now my next job is to multiply this minus 7x with 2x plus 1. So minus 7x into 2x plus 1 gives me minus 7 into 2 is minus 14, x into x is x square, minus 7x plus 1 is minus 7x. So I got it as minus 14x square minus 7x. Now I need to subtract it. So negative becomes positive, negative becomes positive. Minus 14x square plus 14x square gets eliminated, and minus 47x plus 7x gives me minus 40x minus 20. So now I need to take my first term minus 40x and divide with 2x. So minus 40x divided with 2x gives me x, and x gets eliminated, it gives me minus 20. So here I'm going to write it as minus 20 and divide and multiply this with the entire expression here. So minus 20 into 2x plus 1, which gives me minus 20 into 2 is minus 40x, and minus 20 into 1 is minus 20. So minus 40x minus 20, which is negative becomes positive, negative becomes positive, everything gets eliminated, and the remainder here is 0. So the final answer would be, for this division, the answer is 3x squared minus 7x plus 7. So this is the value that I got after dividing the expression. So this is my final value, and this is how you solve it. And if you still want to continue, we can find the factors for this quadratic expression, 3x squared minus 7x and minus 20. So in order to do so, 3x squared and 20, when you multiply the two terms, I'm getting it as 3x squared into minus 20 is minus 60x squared, and in the middle I need to get it as minus 7x. So I need to think of two numbers such that when I add those two numbers, I need to get it as 7, and when I multiply, I need to get it as 60, and find the roots for that numbers, and you can think it as 12 and 5. So minus 12 into 5 is minus 60, and minus 12 plus 5 is minus 7. So we can write that way and solve for that equation, find the values for x, or we can stop here. So the division for this is, the final value is this. So I'm repeating my steps again. Here I am writing the numerator and writing the denominator. I am taking my first terms from this expression and this expression and dividing it. 6x cubed by 2x. 6x cubed by 2x gives me 3x squared. So I have written that. And now, after getting the first term in the quotient, I need to take my term and multiply with entire denominator here. So 3x squared is multiplied with 2x plus 1. We get it as 6x cubed plus 3x squared. So I have written that, and I need to subtract. So when I apply and subtract the expressions, I am left over with minus 14x squared, and I take the remaining terms from the above expression and write it here. So my first term again here in this expression is minus 14x squared, and here it is 2x. So I divide these two terms, minus 14x squared by 2x, which is minus 7x, and I write that value here. Once I write the value in the quotient place, I need to take this value and multiply with this expression here. So minus 7x into 2x plus 1 is minus 14x squared minus 7x. So I have written it, and I have subtracted these values here and took the constant here. Now I'm left over with minus 40x. I'm dividing that with 20 and getting it as minus 20. I have written that, and taking minus 20 and multiplying with 2x plus 1, I get it as minus 40x minus 20, and the remainder is 0. So I have completed my division, and the final answer is 3x squared minus 7x minus 20. This is how you solve it. I hope you all like my video, and please subscribe to AT Math Academy and enjoy doing math at AT. And thank you for taking time to watch my video. Thank you all again.